Hi, it is our honor and our pleasure to introduce Dr. Michelle McMurry-Heath, who assumed the leadership of the Biotechnology Industry Organization as President and CEO on June 1st, 2020. Dr. McMurry-Heath is a medical doctor and a molecular immunologist by training. She becomes just the third CEO to lead the world's largest biotechnology advocacy organization since its founding in 1993. Dr. McMurry-Heath comes to Bio from Johnson & Johnson, where she served as global head of evidence generation for medical device companies, and then vice president of global external innovation and global leader for regulatory sciences. Dr. McMurry-Heath was also instrumental in bringing J&J's incubator, J-Labs, to Washington, D.C., where she led a global team of 900 people with responsibilities in over 150 countries around the world. Prior to her time at J&J, Dr. McMurry-Heath was also a key science policy leader in government. The Obama-Biden transition team tapped her to conduct a comprehensive analysis of the National Science Foundation's policies, programs, and personnel. Dr. McMurry-Heath was then named by President Obama the science director of the FDA's Center for Devices in Radiological Health under the Commissioner Peggy Hamburg. Dr. McMurry-Heath was the founding director of the Aspen Institute's Health, Biomedical Science, and Society Policy Program, where she promoted personalized medicine and bolstered international preparation for pandemic disease threats. She received her early training in science policy from the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation and later served as Senator Joe Lieberman's top legislative aide for science and health. She received her MD PhD from Duke's Medical Scientist Training Program, becoming the first African American to graduate from the prestigious program. She spent 12 years working at the research bench before moving on to take policy and leadership roles in government and industry. Without further ado, it is our great pleasure to introduce Dr. Michelle McMurry-Heath.
Hello and welcome. I'm Michelle McMurry-Heath, President and Chief Executive Officer of the Biotechnology Innovation Organization. Thank you and welcome to this inaugural United Negro College Fund Life Sciences Summit. And congratulations on this historic partnership between Ivy League institutions and HBCUs. 25 years ago, I walked into my graduate lab at Duke University, and as a first-generation scientist, I wasn't always prepared for the small p politics of academic science. Sometimes the jockeying for exciting and achievable projects, wrestling for limited laboratory research, and sometimes the self-advocating that's needed to really have meaningful authorship. But then I found a scholarship program, a partnership between the United Negro College Fund and Merck that changed everything for me. The UNCF Merck Fellows Program was a simple but powerful program. And for the first time in my life, I earned a living wage that allowed me to focus on my work and my scholarship. I got to travel to the Merck campus in New Jersey and see how industry turned academic gains in science into real solutions that saved lives. I got to meet and work with a truly inspiring group of other young Black scientists, and we learned from each other. We leaned on each other, and we helped lift each other up. The ingredients of that UNCF Merck program provided were simple: confidence, modest resources, autonomy from hierarchy and bureaucracy, a network of like-minded scientists, and a clear picture of how science could help communities of color and save patients' lives in the process. It was a powerful and life-changing program. It gave me the courage not only to complete my degrees, but also to forge a career that I wanted for myself and make meaningful contributions to the advancement of science. I hope that you take from my story that your dreams are attainable and within reach. This is an incredible opportunity, so make the most of it. And I look forward to learning about the success and the achievements of the people in this program as the years go forward. I know you will do great things for human health and for humankind. So thank you and enjoy your success.